all can develop our own character. Hello friends, this is Yundan. This is just a share from my own reading and of course from my own life experiences. Each and every one of us have our own unique character and we all can develop our own unique character. As it says in James 1:3, for you know that when your faith is tested, your endurance has a chance to grow. We all can grow from one time to another. Too often we put condition on God and on our prayers. God, I will be happy if my boss moves to the backside. Or, God, I'll be happy if I am rich and wealthy. Many things we are begging to God of that thing. When you get Him in your life, instead of asking all these things, ask, God, I trust you. Lead me your way, guide me, let me do according to your will, instead of nagging to things that is very difficult. God knows already what is best for us. That kind of character we have to develop instead of seeing this one and that one, I want this and that. Try to let God guide you and lead you. When you have faith in Him, you are developing your character. You are developing your good attitude towards things. Have you ever thought that God is using that person, some other person which is against you, for you to grow up? Yes, God put some people along the way for us to grow up. We might be angry or hate that person, but think that God gave that to you in front of you to let you grow up and learn the situation in your life. That person might be so irresponsible and you are irritated by it. But don't you know that God put that there to develop your character, to teach you to love those who are not so lovable. Instead of saying, God, get me out of this situation, I'm asking you to pray. God, come into this situation. Help me to have a good attitude. Help me to do the right thing when the wrong thing is happening. It's very powerful when you say that to God. Help me, God, to do the right thing. Lead me, guide me how to handle this person instead of praying to God that take away this person from me. God put that person in front of you to develop your character. So therefore, as it says, it's very powerful when you can say, God, if this person or situation never changes, thank you that you've given me the strength to overcome, the power to be happy in the midst of difficulties. I'm not going to let this person, this sickness, this situation to take my joy. That is developing a good character. You are accepting what is happening in your life. When you can accept those things happening in your life, that is very mature act towards your character. You are developing your character when you can accept what is there in front of you. Don't take away the joy in the midst of difficulty. Trust God instead. You are His most prized possession. There may be bad people in front of you right now, but don't worry. God put there in order for you to develop your character. That is a test. God is waiting for you to pass the test. Then He's going to bring you out. So instead, when we are struggling of the situation, when we are struggling of the bad people that surrounds us, say thank you, Father, that you are worthy of my unconditional trust. Trust Him to work in your favor. There are things in my life I don't understand. The situation I want to see change. People I'd like to get away from. But even if they never happen, I still going to trust you. I gladly leave these matters in your hands. This is about your faith and trust in God, that you can trust Him whatsoever happening in your life. Trust it in the hands of God, and He will let you pass the test. Then He's going to bring you out of that bad situation. This is about developing your character. Instead of just wanting out, accept it, embrace it, and trust in the Lord in prayer. He will work out the best in you. It is just about developing your character to accept whatsoever happening in your life right now. Just embrace it, for He knows what is best for you. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.